Welcome. In this video I will show you how to improve battery life on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita smartphone. Start by opening settings on your device, then scroll down to the battery menu right here, open it, and now all we have to do basically to optimize our battery, to improve our battery life, is tap optimize battery usage here, and we will be presented with a list of actions that can be performed in order to optimize our battery usage right here. So if you want to optimize your battery, just tap optimize, and let's see how well it improves the battery life. So the battery life was about, remaining battery was enough for about 16 hours, and now 31 hours. So it's we just increased our battery life now for one charge by pretty much a half, or no, basically we will double this, not by half, of course. And the next thing that we can do is go to the battery health and enable 80% upper limit to improve our battery protection in the long periods of time. So if you set 80% upper limit, your phone will only charge for until it reaches 80% battery level, and this way your battery will not wear out after a recharge, after each recharge, and will stay usable without any service or without replacement for a longer time period. Besides, we can go to more settings and select scenario AI optimization and optimize and enable optimizing when app is not in use. This will auto clean background applications that are not used for a long time. This will clean up your device's storage from time to time and improve your battery life overall. Besides, use the cleanup tool available on your device to clean up some storage from time to time, so at least maybe once in a couple of days. Let it scan the junk files and remove them from your smartphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.